While the world population continues to grow exponentially in parts, a new study shows how the birth rate is slowing faster than predicted, with more than half the world's nations no longer replenishing their population to the point of avoiding decline. Simon Harding has more.
A startling study with potentially profound consequences for the world. Published by Lancet, the scientific review found that fertility rates had fallen dramatically, meaning that many countries are now on the verge of a baby bust. In 1950, women were having on average 4.7 children during their lifetime, but over the past 67 years, those numbers have now halved to just 2.4 children per woman. If a country has an average fertility rate of 2, then there can be no baby bust scenario, which no country faced in 1950. Now, half the world is in that position, especially in developed countries. Europe, the United States, South Korea and Australia recorded significantly lower fertility rates. For example, in Cyprus, women are having only one child. In contrast, West Africa remains an area with many births, for example in Niger, where women on average are having 7 babies. China has recently abandoned its one-child policy, but preferences for boys have also led to fertility figures being skewed. One potential effect of this phenomena is that developed countries will have to rely on migration for their workforce as an aging population becomes unsustainable. Sociology experts believe that this will lead to massive changes in society, who will have to adapt to this demographic change. Behind the numbers is a success story. Fewer childhood deaths, greater access to contraception, and more women in education and work have all been contributing factors. If this trend continues, however, migration will be the key to solving the issue and stop there being more grandparents than grandchildren.